Welcome to Moss Review. Today we're going to do unboxing. We're also going to do pretty much look at hear the audio from the projector and also the video, and then we'll do a review. This is a smart projector. It has Android, has Smart OS, Wi-Fi, AirPlay, and Miracast, Keystone, and has a sound bar. And so pretty much we're just going to do the unboxing, show all the parts, components, everything, and then we'll do the audio and also the video and then the review. Okay, so we're just going to do the unboxing right here. Okay. So, yeah. Let's see what we have at the top. So we have the power cord, remote, we have the instruction manual, we have RCA cable, the other connection to the power cable, so it extends it, and we have the warranty card. So that's everything in that little box. We'll move that aside so it's not in the scene. So we have room for everything. We'll move this aside. Okay. I believe that the last thing is the projector. Okay, so this is the projector. Let's move some of this stuff on the floor. Okay, so really nice projector. Here's the power on off switch. Here's where the pretty much where the cable connects. We have two USB ports, HDMI, headset, AV, HDMI 2. So we have two HDMI. Here, let's so you can see all that. Here's the bottom. It says surprise, scan code or visit gift or two to get your surprise. You got LED smart projector. Here, let's see this. Actually, we won't do that until that's obviously where the projector projects. So here we have the, let's see, it says do not look into lens, avoid eyesight harm. So I'm guessing that is to pretty much focus right here. Here we have some kind of like felt. Here we have the air, and you can see the fan. I don't know if you can see it. So it disperses the heat. And we haven't looked at the top yet. So we have OK, we have return. Here's the menu. So right, left, and of course it's reverse, forward, and then these two icons. Okay. So we have like a tripod kind of hole. Let's see if this pops. We'll probably have to figure that out. Anyways, but that's pretty much the projector. And so that's everything that's included in the box for the projector. And of course, we'll be going through the settings, we'll be going through the menu and everything, and we'll be looking at the video quality and the audio, and then we'll be doing a review of the projector. So just stay tuned, and we'll be showing them in the next few scenes. Okay, so first we're going to test the audio, see how loud the projector gets. I'm using the remote, so it gets pretty low. Let's put it back up to the... Okay, now we're going to go through all the languages. It's got quite a bit of languages available. And it definitely has a lot. Okay, so let's go all the way back up. So here you can pair it with your phone, or you can select a network. Here you sign in using your Google account. Next you accept the term of service, location, help improve Android. The projector LED is powered by Android TV. Get apps from Google Play. Talk to the Google Assistant. Cast to your TV. So I really like the lineup. It kind of reminds me of apps nowadays, so where it's all lined up. You have YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, more apps. You have apps here. We'll click on this. So you have your Disney Plus, HBO Max, Hulu, Mirror, Kodi, TV, media. So you have all these options. Let's go up here. Click to speak, click to type. See the type one. Notifications, settings. So you have your Bluetooth, mouse mode, source, language, display mode. Look at display mode. Standard, movie, office. Aspect mode. So 4:3, 6:9. It's kind of auto. Keystone correction. So you can move it. It moves fast. It's actually pretty fast. Okay. You have your zoom. Got up, down. The projection mode. Positive forward projection, hoist and positive throw, hoist and rear projection. You have your sound, day and time, storage, internal share storage, reset, updates, device preferences, your home screen, your Google Assistant, screensaver, location, usage diagnostic, security restrictions, and accessibility. Here we'll look at the usage diagnostic. You could turn on security restriction, unknown source, accessibility, text to teach, accessibility shortcut, top back, select speak, select access. Here we have the about. So status of network, legal information, model, version, and our security patch, kernel, and build. Let's see. I think we already went through the apps. You could add favorites. You could add different ones. We'll look at YouTube. Okay, so now we're going to look at the video quality. Welcome to Moss Review. Today we're going to look at Haas Laser Crystal. And so we got this crystal with the stand and everything. It's pretty much etched inside our son and our dog, and they did a phenomenal job. Pretty much we sent the picture in the background pretty much coincides. Kind of just fast forward a little bit. Okay, so after testing the audio and the video, I'm extremely impressed. This is probably the best projector our family has used and seen. The audio is truly a soundbar audio. Now we have like 4 or 5 soundbars. I can honestly say that the audio in this projector sounds just like any other soundbar you could get in any store. It's phenomenal. It's loud. It has bass. It's extremely well made. So the sound of the projector is great. The projector itself is lightweight, so it's easy to portable. It starts up quick. We have the video. The video is phenomenal. It's actually 1080p. A lot of projectors say 1080p. From my own experience, a lot of them are not 1080p. They're 720 or even less than that. This is actually 1080p, so this is very impressive projector for the price point. Also because of the audio, and pretty much it's easy to set up. It literally guides you from step to step, and you can connect it to your phone. You can connect it to your Gmail account, Google, and so you'll be able to use it to pretty much use Netflix, Hulu, pretty much all the streaming services. Also, Kodi if you're into Kodi software. But I pretty much have stopped using Kodi. But anyways, this is a great smart projector. Very impressed. Enjoy every part of it. I could see this doing extremely well for people to buy projectors and have the big wall, or screen and everything, and be impressed with just the price point of how well this does. And so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. My social media will be down below in the description. I'm going to have a link of where to buy the projector, and I'll see you in the next video.
If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.